Dyson Airstrait, and it's not actually working because the RCD has failed, and therefore the power isn't coming through. And yeah, we're going to just dismantle it and see what's inside, and take a look at inside. So yeah, I'm just using the T6, and yeah, let's get through it. So it seems there are 2 long screws and 2 short screws. So yeah, and they're just located on this end. Oh, yeah, here, on this end. And then we have got 2 more screws just literally at the end of the cable where it's actually connected to the device. They're also fairly long, yeah, so just you shouldn't confuse. Well, they look pretty similar. They might in fact be the same. Yeah, they look similar, but I wouldn't necessarily mix them up, but they look similar, so you might get away with it. Right, and then see if there are any other obvious screws in here. Okay, so it seems okay. Oh, okay, so when I released that, then this fell apart. It looks like before we disconnect the cable, oh, there's another silver part. I'm assuming these panels are connected. Oh right, okay, I see. Okay, they're just these 4 silver things are just located here where the screws were binding to the unit. So yeah, they were just sitting underneath, or right in the center between the screw and this panel. Yeah, it doesn't look. Is it that way? I know that you can take this one off. First of all, let's see if we can take this one off. Yeah. Right, so you take this part. Okay, so we've got more screws down here. Yeah, I was just thinking if I can get rid of the cable it would be a lot easier, but I don't know. Doesn't look that easy way. So let's see. Okay, this one, right? I'm guessing these are heat elements, and there's a spring or a coil. Then don't know, not too sure yet. I can see the wires, but I can't actually get to this part. Looks like there is another screw somewhere here, because it's not coming off very easily, and I'm sure it should come off very easily and slide it off. I'm not too sure. Let me just figure this out, because I don't want to break anything just yet.